Building with Nicolock. Your fireplace will come complete with Verona wall stone, a 36-inch stainless steel fireplace insert, a flue pipe, stainless mesh spark screens, a solid stainless log grate, 4 concrete lintels, and a decorative concrete cast surround and medallion. Use adhesive on every course or layer of stone that you build. Make sure that everything is plumb and level, which means that everything is even and straight, both vertically and horizontally. You should use string line to make sure that each course is smooth and flush against each other. When dealing with corners, use a framing square to make sure each side is flush. Your next step is to insert the firebox. Build the Verona stone around the firebox. None of the stones are pre-notched, so you're going to need a concrete saw. Now it's time to insert the lintels. These are the stones that span the length of the openings around the firebox. Then insert the fireplace surround with Keystone. Once the surround is installed, your next step is to build the remainder of the chimney. And then place the decorative accent piece. Now it's time to insert the flue and the chimney pipe. Make sure to install these components according to the manufacturer's instructions so you can secure them correctly. Lastly, install the chimney pipe cap. Verona Fireplace.